welcome back to another episode on how to log in. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Filipino Cupid account. Now, if this is something you're interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there search for filipinocupid.com. As soon as you do that, you will be landed to its official web page. Now from here, you need to tap on this login button at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to its members login page where you have to type in your email address followed by the password. If in case you have created your account using your Google account, then you have to tap on sign in with Google. But now if you have created your account using your email address, then you have to type email address and password. Now type it correctly. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and double check your password before moving on. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this forget password link to retrieve your password. And if you want the system to remember your account details, you can check this keep me logged in button in order to get automatically logged in to your Filipino Cupid account in your future login. And here it says that don't check this box if you're at a public or shared computer. Now once you're done with typing in your login details correctly, tap on login button. And once you tap on login button, you will get logged into your Filipino Cupid account successfully. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.